In sporting clays, everything kind of starts with fundamentals. Two of the most important are hold points and look points. So let's get into it. As you watch, orange arrows show hold points and red arrows show look points. Get these right and every presentation becomes simpler, smoother, and more repeatable. And that's the goal. Hold points are where your gun starts before the call. Not on the trap, not at the break point, but in a spot that lets the target come smoothly to the gun. Good hold points create better timing and cleaner moves. However, remember, you can miss targets with good moves and hit targets with bad moves, so consistency and repeatability are most important. Look points are where your eyes are focused before the target appears. Your eyes should be ahead of the gun, soft focused where you expect to pick up the bird early and clearly. This has really helped us visually slow down the target, giving us more control over the entire shot. Please enjoy the rest of the video, calling out our hold point and look point as we move into our kill point, a topic maybe for our next video. Please like, share, and subscribe to keep our Clays content coming. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one.